Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2004 Cadillac Deville. Changing the cabin air filter is no problem, as you only have to remove one easy-to-remove cover for access to the filter. The components of the spare tire are easily accessible in the rear of the vehicle. This keeps the tire and jack kit ready to go in case of emergency. The engine air filter is also easy to change. You only have to disengage a few fasteners for access, and these fasteners are easy to disengage. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You will have to completely remove the headlight housing for access to the bulb. This will require many tools in order to complete many steps, including fastener removal. Checking the interior fuses will be tough, as you will have to move the back seat for access. This is not an intuitive location and can make it hard to complete electrical troubleshooting. The battery is located in the trunk. This is a more difficult to work in location than the usual battery location. Overall, the 2004 Cadillac Deville is a moderately easy vehicle to maintain, but does have a few unique configurations that will take time to investigate.